Hey, and welcome to Commission Clones Review. I'm really excited to share this one because Commission Clones is exactly the kind of hands-off tool that makes online work feel effortless. At its core, this app creates the content, posts it, ranks it, and gets you paid, all while you go on with your day. That's the simple promise. The software handles the heavy lifting of content creation and distribution. It's set up to push the content out and help it rank, and it's built to collect commissions automatically. What stands out to me is how truly automated it is. The product emphasizes 100% automation, with no face on screen, no editing, and no experience needed. Whether you're someone who doesn't want to be on camera, someone who prefers not to edit, or you simply want a set and forget approach, this is designed to take those tasks off your plate. The sales page even frames that automation as a way to post, rank, and get paid automatically, which is exactly the workflow this tool promises to deliver. It's also presented as extremely beginner-friendly, meaning you don't need tech skills to get started. I'll show you inside in a moment so you can see how the app presents everything and why it feels so effortless to use. For anyone looking for an automated system that generates and publishes content for you, that avoids on-camera work, and removes the need for editing or deep technical know-how, Commission Clones is a standout option. I love how focused it is on removing friction and how clearly it lays out what it does. Create, post, rank, and get paid, all automatically. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through the members area next so you can see what you actually get when you log in. When you log into the Commission Clones members area, you're greeted by the app that handles the whole process for you. The experience is built around automation. The platform creates the content, posts it, and works to get it ranked, while tracking the commissions that come in. Right away, you can see the emphasis on being beginner-friendly and easy to use, with the product repeatedly highlighting that no face is required on screen, no editing is needed, and no prior experience is necessary. There's also a clear call to action element, a video thumbnail labeled "Watch Now" with a play button that points you to tutorial-style content. The page shows a "Watch Now" Robin Palmer label and a YouTube prompt, so guidance is available as you get comfortable. The members area reinforces the app's promise of 100% automation, and everything is presented so you can set things up without technical headaches. I found the flow to be reassuring. The app's core steps, create content, post, rank, and get paid, are visible and repeated, which makes it obvious what you're getting. If you prefer a straightforward, automated dashboard that takes care of content creation and posting without requiring you to film, edit, or learn complex tech, the members area of Commission Clones makes that promise very clear. My verdict is simple. Commission Clones is a powerful, truly automated solution for anyone who wants to publish content, avoid being on camera, skip editing, and keep things beginner-friendly. I recommend giving it a shot if you want automation that creates, posts, ranks, and aims to collect commissions without heavy lifting on your part. You can grab Commission Clones and my exclusive bonuses either in the description below this video or on the bonus page, so click the link to get Commission Clones along with those exclusive bonuses and start using the hands-off system right away.